decorating mistakes are real, my friends. I have seen a lot of them in my day, and they are so easy to make and can cost you, guess what? Not only time, but money. And we don't have a lot of money, right? We don't have a lot of dough to roll around in. So, guess what? With a little help, you can avoid those mistakes. And I'm going to show you how to get professional help for just a fraction of the cost of on the market. Hey, home stars, welcome back. Welcome. I'm going to take a little seat here, but there's just something I want to share with you that has been on my heart. Now, you would know that I am a trained teacher. I'm also a certified interior decorator. So I do consulting, decorating consulting in my neck of the woods. And yeah, you would know that I do a lot of videos on my channel that can help you to try to attempt your DIY projects. But what I want to do for you is to extend my services and become your DIY buddy. So, what would that look like, you may ask? Now, have you ever wanted to start a DIY? You see all these videos online with DIY, but you want to start a DIY and it's not concrete enough or relatable enough for you to be able to start your DIY? Or have you started and you're in the middle and you're wondering, what is the next step? What do I do next? Or have you ever started and you're almost at the end, but you don't know how to knot up all those loose ends and to get that look that you were going for, right? We're talking about interior decorating and also exterior. Let's say ulterior decorating, right? Well, that is where I would come in and I would actually give you step-by-step guide, ideas, suggestions, whatever you need to accomplish your DIY. So for example, I do like lots of calculations, right? I help you to calculate how much fabric you will need, like for bedding. I also show you how to make the bedding. I'll do calculation for curtains and draperies. And say, for example, you can follow that video and you do the calculations. You know how much fabric you want and you go out to the store and you get your fabric, you take it home. Now, what's next? What do? I don't want to cut into my fabric and it's so expensive. I want to make sure I'm doing the right thing. Well, all you have to do is just shoot me an email and I will look at your email. What will happen is on my website, I have a page that's called DIY Buddy, right? Yeah, I want to be your DIY buddy. I don't want to take over or take charge of your project, right? Because I am of the opinion that everything should be personal for you. You should be able to relate to it, right? But what I would do is when you send me that email, just click on my DIY buddy and you'll see where you can scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can also do it from contact to scroll down to the bottom of the page and then you fill out the form with your name, your email. Then you'll tell me a little bit of what you want to accomplish in your DIY and then I will respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. No, I'm not here to charge you big bucks. I am absolutely not, because I'm all about affordability, right? So what I want to do is to, just like I would want somebody to help me to accomplish something that it's not my forte. I want to help you to accomplish what you want, and you're only doing DIY because you either don't want to spend a lot of money to hire a designer or a decorator, or you don't want to go into the store and buy expensive stuff. And so for me to do the same would be redundant, right? It wouldn't make sense. So that's not what I'm here for. So you just shoot me the email, tell me a little bit about your project, and then I'll respond to you within 24 to 48 8 hours. I'll also be, yeah, guys, yeah. I I decided eventually, finally, I decided to create a membership on my YouTube channel. And so through the membership, what you will get are, yeah, you'll get badges. You'll also get like video uploads first. So you'll be privy to video uploads first. Another thing that you'll get is 15% whatever you buy from my store. Now the girl has just started putting stuff in the store because I'm doing it all on my own. Don't have the budget to I'm doing it on my own, right? So I will have not only some vintage stuff there which are well curated, but I will also have fabrics there. And so whatever is listed on that website, if you're a member of the channel, you will be able to get 15% off. I'll also have a members only page on my website where I will have a lot of free cheat sheets and step-by-step information for certain things. And no, that will not affect my videos. I will do the videos just as diligently as I have always done the videos, right? And so you don't have to worry about that. But there are some times when certain questions are asked under some of the videos where it's not possible for me to do justice to the questions. And so that is why I have created not only the membership so I can extend to you some more on a one-to-one, but also the DIY body, right? So that's it, my friends. Drop in the comments below. Let me know what you think. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit subscribe. Remember to turn on your bell notification so that you won't miss out on any upcoming videos. I also have something in the works that I don't want to tell you guys about right now because I have to do some diligent research, but hopefully in the future I will be able to share it with you guys. Keep doing your DIYs. I can't wait to link with you again in my upcoming videos. You take care now.